My name is Elie, E-L-I-E, and I'm coming from a nice island in the Mediterranean called Cyprus, the island of Aphrodite. Actually, I'm a freelancer. I'm a trainer and consultant for companies focusing on building cultures. And I'm focusing on two main aspects. In business, leadership is one, and soft skills overall, but mainly leadership and communication. Interpersonal communication, not digital communication. My curiosity came into one course that LBTC is offering, which is the personal skills development. And my aim was to just stop for once, look at myself, go more deep into who am I, and for once being on the other side of the table and be a delegate. So helping me to know more about myself and helping me to know more about how can I do things differently, helping me to know about what I can be, I would say, do less and what I can do more. For the first 2 days, definitely, because it was focused a lot on self-awareness. It was focused a lot on, practically speaking, who we are and how to make the maximum out of it when we talk to people. On the third day, we are still at the beginning of the third day. So far, so good. Very interactive, quite interactive, I would say. But already halfway, I'm very positive. I'm in, and I feel the flow. I mean, the first 2 days I was with a consultant who definitely he's quite an expert in his field. He knows very well the topic he's talking about. Extremely at ease with himself, and he knows how to bridge with people. As far as for the third day, again, as I said, I'm in the halfway. So far, the trainer showed expertise. He showed confidence. He knows what he's talking about, and the most important thing is that he's able to bridge with the participants. So he makes delegates feel at ease. He helps delegates think, and in a way or another, he is also able to bridge with delegates. It's the interactive part. Interactive. I mean, it's not lecturing; it's practically discussing. And this, I believe, this is today the most not attractive only, but the way you absorb information, the more you are involved. So the more you involve the people, the better the people will practically buy into what you are telling them. So I believe that's an excellent methodology, rather than just lecturing. The iPad is an excellent tool. So on one side, it's environmental friendly, definitely, so no paper, but definitely on the other side, it's an added value to the course as well. Course value is excellent. I would say on the logistic part and the venue, I have nothing to say. It's quite good, yeah, and it's professional. Aneta is perfect, smiling, welcoming. I mean, she knows her business. She makes the person feel at ease. I would say overall on the logistic part, that was good. I would personally try to come every year to attend the course. That would help me also improve and perform on a personal level.